Oh, man. Look, before I say anything, just major props to the Texas A&M Aggies for giving us one heck of a game. Oklahoma Sooners 69, Texas A&M Aggies 63 in College Station. These are the kinds of games that I like to watch, the kinds that keep you on the edge of your seat for hours. This was just a fantastic game. Major props to Texas A&M. Give Josh Carter and B.J. Holmes their credit. They deserve it. They scored tons of points for this Texas A&M team, and they scored the points when they needed to happen because we established a pretty commanding lead at several points during this game. But A&M just cut down our lead and came right back. They chased us down to the very end. I am loving this season so far. Not only are we winning the big games at home, but we're winning the big games abroad. Because look guys, there's a reason why teams aren't too happy about coming down to College Station to play. Because College Station is loud and College Station is intimidating. And I'm so proud of my team for keeping their heads on a swivel and just coming to play. Taking care of business and generating more wins. Blake Griffin and his brother Taylor did a fantastic job. Willie Warren also had a great game. But the guy I want to point out to you guys and brag on the most today is Austin Johnson. 19 points and 7 assists. This Texas A&M team, they knew Blake Griffin was our go-to guy. They covered him really well. But Austin Johnson also got open and he got the points for us. Austin Johnson did an amazing job. The whole team did an amazing job. I'm loving how we are coming together as a team, one cohesive unit. That's the way that, in my opinion, we're improving the most. And that's why I think we're such a scary team this year. Is because not only is Blake Griffin good. I mean, look, when you have a great player like Blake Griffin, it is so easy to just be classified as an all-star team. Where, you know, as long as your all-stars are okay, you're just fine. But no, not only is Blake Griffin good, but the players all around him are good. It takes the pressure off of him. We are coming together as a team, playing well as a team, at home and away. Just a great, absolutely great effort by my Sooners, but also a great effort for the Texas A&M Aggies. That night, last night, they proved a major point that not only Texas and Oklahoma are in the South, but hey, there's also A&M Aggies on there, and they are a force to be reckoned with, especially in College Station. So, great game, guys. This is what college basketball should be, down to the wire. Just an absolutely great win for my Sooners. We're now 3-0 in conference play, 17-1 overall. I mean, the only other team that's unbeaten currently in the Big 12 is Kansas. So Jayhawks, we're coming after you. Next up, we got the Nebraska Cornhuskers. The Nebraska Cornhuskers coming right here in good old Norman. So guys, just gotta take care of business, Sooners. Take care of business. I'm Sooner Son 2. See you guys later.